Like in the last session, we had a little bit of introduction. I gave my introduction, and then I told all of you to tell about your state. So today I would want to know your interests, like besides studying, what all things do you like? How do you spend your time besides studies? Those who could not get a chance in the last class, they may come forward. Let's give them the chance. And then those who already got a chance, they also can speak, but little bit later. Will that be fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Sure.
ma'am.
Sure. Okay. Just raise your hands. I'll just call out the names and he or she can speak later on. Okay. So Nitish, you can go ahead. Tell your name, tell me where you are from, and then what is your interest.
I'm Nitish. I'm from AP.
Hmm.
I like playing games.
Okay. Indoor or outdoor games?
Mobile games.
Just mobile games. Okay. Interested in cricket?
Kabaddi, ma'am.
Okay, okay. That's good. Okay. Okay. Please put down your hand. Yes.
What the question?
I'm not hearing you. Please repeat.
What is question, ma'am?
What is?
Question.
Question is that you just have to give your introduction in 2 to 3 lines. What points are should be included? You should tell your name, name of your state, and what are your interests. Like besides studies, how do you spend time?
Okay, ma'am.
In what hobbies do you spend time? So that I'll get an idea what all interests are there in this class, so that I can tell you about the clubs which are there in our institution. You must have got a little bit of idea, right? How many clubs are there? You had all the information in the induction program. So I can tell you about the events being conducted by us, right? That's why I am asking. So this is the question.
Thank you.
So yeah. So who would like to tell now? Shailaja, go ahead.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Shailaja, and I am from Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. And my interests are I love singing and playing badminton.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Yeah,
That
ma'am.
is
Thank
my
you.
interest also. Yeah.
Thank you,
You're
ma'am.
you're from Chittoor, right? And Chittoor
Yeah,
is
ma'am. Chittoor.
okay. Chittoor
Uh,
is known for Chittoor Queen, right? What was her name?
ma'am?
Chittoor's Queen is famous, right? In the history.
No, ma'am. Not like nothing like that.
Is it so? I think Andhra Pradesh's Chittoor is different than that of Karnataka's
Yeah,
Chittoor.
ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Different.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure, thank you. Madhusudan, you had spoken in the last class, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Madhusudan Reddy. Madhusudan Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, did you get a chance in the last class to speak?
No, ma'am.
Please go ahead. Yeah, I'm sorry.
I no problem. Myself, Madhusudan from
Hmm.
Bangalore.
Oh,
Like most of them, my hobbies like a cooking, ma'am.
your interest is cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice to hear that. Really, a rare thing, huh? Very good, very good.
And sometimes using phone. That's it, ma'am.
Sometimes what?
Phone. Using
Using
mobile.
using mobile. Can that be a
Most of
hobby?
the time, cooking. Yeah.
Okay. Tell me about the things which are productive. Okay, some which gives something productive that you can tell. Maybe using mobile, it is just for leisure, right? Cooking is a very good hobby, obviously. I really appreciate that. Very good, very good.
Yes.
Okay, please put down your
Thank you.
hand. Rohit can go ahead. Rohit, low to get down.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself
Good.
Rohit from AP,
Yeah,
Vizag. Actually, today is my first class, ma'am.
yeah.
You mentioned that some about clubs. You mentioned, no, ma'am.
Yeah,
Actually, I'm not aware of that. I
yeah.
am interested in games, ma'am, outdoor games, mainly cricket and badminton.
Very nice, very nice. So we have a club. So I did not tell much in the last class about the clubs as such. I'm just asking about your interest so that I can tell you the related clubs wherein you can take a part.
Actually, I'm more interested in playing outdoor games like cricket, badminton, volleyball.
Very good, very good.
Chetana
Nice to
Club.
hear that. We have a club for games named as Chetana Club. You can join them. And if at all you are
Thank-
interested in yogasanas also, performing yogasanas, then we have a yoga faculty here. You have yoga classes also, right? You can take part in that also, according to your interest. Sure? Okay, okay. Okay, Rohit, please put on your hand.
thank-
Yashwant? Yashwant, please go ahead.
I am audible.
Yes, yes.
Hi, ma'am. I am very excited from this opportunity.
Excited for?
I am from yeah. I am from Guntur at Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
I like guitar and music.
Okay, you like music. Very good, very good.
Yes, dance, guitar.
Very nice. Oh, nice to hear that. So, have you learned any classical art form like music?
No, madam. I in my near Guntur no any music guitars.
Classes are not there. Okay. Any?
Yeah. In Amrita College is there no means I learn from beginning.
Yeah, we have a club for music that is known as Raga Club, but I'm not sure whether they are teaching anything. I'll just get to know about it and then maybe I'll.
Some students know, ma'am, how to guitar. I can
How-
learn there from students. I create a band in college.
Sure,
From
sure.
music.
That's your aim to make a
Yeah,
band.
I am
Okay, okay. Great, great.
lots of
Okay.
people singing. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So you okay? We
You
will
are
be
very friendly.
eagerly.
You are very friendly to our friendly to class all people.
Who?
You, ma'am, madam.
Oh, okay,
You
okay.
are
Thank you.
very friendly.
Yes, definitely. I told you in the
Yeah,
last class. Let's be free here in
yeah,
this
ma'am. Yeah,
while
yes. It's very good,
but
madam.
one
You are
thing is,
peaceful.
yeah,
Yeah.
but one thing is that let's maintain the discipline. That is very
Yes,
important.
yes,
Okay,
yes. That
sure.
is why you are learn about cultural education from a discipline.
Exactly.
How
That how we
to
behave in the society, that is very much
yeah,
important.
how to communicate people, how to respect the people's.
Ideas.
That's,
Correct. Very good,
you are
Yashwant.
from Goa, madam. Is right.
Yeah, I'm from Goa.
One day we can plan to Goa, madam.
Once everything is
Fine.
COVID is, yeah,
Yeah.
when
Thank you,
everything
ma'am.
is fine, we will,
Yeah.
we will plan. Okay, please
Thank you,
put.
madam. Yeah.
हेमचंद्रन HRG आगे बढ़िए.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah, myself, Hemacharan Reddy. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Tirupati.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, my hobbies are playing cricket and playing badminton.
Okay, great.
After evening 5, I won't be in home, ma'am.
Oh, you go to play. Very good. That's a very good thing. Yes, outdoor games are very important. Yeah, very good. So, Monisha, please go ahead.
I'm Monisha Jairam. I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka. Well, my hobbies are I like playing outdoor games such as relays and throwball, and I'm very much interested in art and craft stuff like sketching, dancing, and I really love to do research work on astrophysics.
Astrophysics. Wow, that's great. So you have multiple interests. Nice to hear that.
Thank you.
Okay, Monisha. Thank you. Rohit.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. What is this, Rohit?
Now it's email, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Please go ahead. Just
I
kidding.
am from Andhra, ma'am, Guntur.
Mm-hmm.
And my hobbies involve collecting foreign notes and coins, ma'am. I have
Oh,
60
wow.
plus country coins and notes.
Okay. How many coins do you have?
Like 50, ma'am, and notes like 60.
Oh, wow. That's a great thing. Really
I
nice
can
to
show you, ma'am, of coming.
Sure, sure. Once we are offline, yeah, definitely.
And my interest involve badminton too, ma'am.
Okay.
In listening to cultural education class.
Okay, that's a hobby.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Rohit.
Okay.
Ramakrishna. Please go ahead.
Ma'am, it's my dad name.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ramakrishna. I thought, yeah. Okay, okay. Please go ahead.
I'm Akila, madam. My name is Akila.
Agla.
I'm from Akila.
Akhila. Okay. Sorry, Akhila. Yes. Yes. Go ahead.
My hobbies are playing badminton, dance, ma'am. That's
And
it.
dancing. Okay. Classical dancing, you know?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay. Yeah. You dance at your own ease.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Sure. Sure. Okay. Then who is the next one? Naren 3003.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Why this
My name is Narendra. I don't know, ma'am. Simply,
just like that.
it just came to my mind and then I just put it.
Okay, okay. Okay, Naren, go ahead.
So, my name is Narendra. I am from Bangalore. I like to play guitar and go for cycling.
Okay, cycling. This is a new one.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Nice to hear that. Please put down your hand. Vignesh can go ahead. Sai Vignesh.
Hello, ma'am. This is Vignesh. I am a drummer and sports lover with, I have an extra, what do you say?
Interest?
Yeah, interest. I cook also.
For what?
Cook.
To cook. Very good, very good. So to cook we have here in our class. So what all things do you prepare? What all cuisines you have already tried?
I only prepare mainly snacks, ma'am.
Only snacks, yeah. Mainly.
Yeah, my own. I don't see from YouTube.
Main meal you haven't tried.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Nice. Okay, great. Okay, maybe we will take one more, and rest of the students, I request you to continue in the next class, coming class maybe, isn't it? We will take first 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes for the introduction, who are remaining for every class. Okay, will that be fine?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
or other, yeah. But
fine,
in
ma'am.
each class, coming classes, we will keep 10 to 15 minutes in the beginning for your introduction. You can speak freely in those minutes. Okay. So one more student we can have. Shreyajit, you please go ahead. And remaining students, I request you to speak in the coming class. Okay. Yeah, Shreyajit.
Oh, yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Shreyajit S. I'm from Bangalore.
Okay.
And my hobbies are driving.
Oh, great.
Yeah, driving, and yeah, I play keyboard also a bit.
Okay, great.
Also,
So
I like. Yes,
yeah.
ma'am. Go ahead.
No, you drive motor vehicles.
Yes, ma'am. I drive.
Okay, not heavy motor vehicles, no?
Just no, ma'am. Just cars and bikes. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And then I
What
also
else you
play
say?
keyboard a bit.
Keyboard you play. Yeah, nice.
And then I like tech stuff and cars. Yeah.
Wow, that's great. So we have so many interesting things here in our class. Nice to hear that. Okay, Shreyajit, thank you for the introduction. Please put down your hand. Still a few students are raising their hands. I request you again, students. We will take your introduction definitely. Deepak, I guess you had spoken in the last class, and our Projimar Bhaiya. Isn't it? Okay. Okay, students, please, like I request you, I would really love to hear from you, but we will engage every day 15 minutes for your introduction. Okay. Sheikh Noor is also raising his hand. Hi, Sheikh. We will take.
Okay.
Yeah. Would you like to speak? maybe one student. Sheikh we will take, and then we will stop. Yes. Please, Sheikh, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Noor Ahmad, ma'am, from Andhra Pradesh.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Karnool.
Sheikh is your surname.
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Ahmad. Yes, please go ahead.
I am interested in dance, playing cricket, all games.
All the games you like. Okay.
Topper.
Any indoor game you know?
Indoor game. No indoor game. Rooms.
Oh, okay, okay. You play all
No,
the
ma'am.
games. Yeah.
When free, I will make videos, ma'am.
Okay. Like the reels?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. Instagram reels.
Okay, okay. It's good. So you can take some informative things, like whatever information that is there in our
Nice.
tradition and culture, and
And
prepare
making
some reels on that maybe.
Okay.
Of course, entertainment is there, but besides that, you can think of such things if you are really interested. Okay.
Okay,
Sure.
ma'am. Thanks.
Yeah, sure, sure, Ahmed. Thank you. Please
Thank
put down your pens. Let's go ahead. So in the last class, we had a game. So I was thinking of continuing it for a few more minutes and then discuss a bit, maybe take a little bit of reading of the first chapter. So in the last class, we had discussed a few points regarding why cultural education is really important for the engineers to be, right? And you had given me so many beautiful answers, interesting answers you had given to me. So we will go to that also. But before that, are you guys interested in continuing with the game?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer
No,
us.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Who is
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
No,
majority
ma'am.
is saying yes.
Ma'am, we continue yesterday's last class game.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. That game only we will continue, I'm saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have a good character.
Yeah. So,
Again, ma'am.
okay. So those who are interested, like, do I need to repeat the rules of the game?
No, ma'am.
Still,
Yes,
those
ma'am.
who are not present in the
Ma'am,
last,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, those who were not present in the last class, for them I am repeating. So what we have to do is that we will take two epics, that is major epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. So, for example, if we have taken Ramayana, then the person a person has to think about a character from Ramayana in his mind and he should not reveal the name. And rest of us would ask several questions to him. And he has to answer in only yes or no, nothing more than that. So in that manner, we have to ask him the questions. Okay, we have to frame questions in that way. And we have to guess the name of the character which is thought by him or her. Hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are interested to think of a character, they can raise their hand. I'll call out a name. Till then, please mute your mics, so that there is no disturbance. Okay, very good. So Satvika can go ahead and think of a character. Let's take Mahabharata maybe today. Last day we took Ramayana, no? Yeah. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Will you think of a character from Mahabharata?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell us once you're ready, huh?
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So get set, go. You can ask the questions. But she has to answer only in yes or no. Okay. Not more than that. If it is done, then you are out. Everybody is out.
Is he a Pandav?
Is it from Mahabharata or Ramayana?
It's from Mahabharata.
See what I told just now.
Yes, sir.
She has to answer only yes or no. Accordingly, you frame the question. Okay. Go ahead.
Human or
Is he a
animal?
Pandav?
Human or animal?
See, you have to ask like this. Is he an animal?
Is he from Pandavas or Kauravas? Is he from Pandavas?
Yes.
Correct. Now you go.
Lord Krishna.
No.
Arjuna.
Is he the elder? Arjuna.
Is the
No.
character male or female?
Is he a male character?
No.
Is he a female character? Is she a female character?
Yes.
Draupadi.
Yes.
Okay, good, good. 1 point for Satvika from all of us.
Thank you, mom.
Okay. Okay, so who would try now?
Me.
Raise your hands.
Ma'am, I wanna try.
Who is that?
Deepak.
Okay. Okay, Deepak, go ahead.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, Deepak is ready. So let me start asking. So is this a character from Mahabharata?
Ramayana or Mahabharata?
No.
Is this a character from Ramayana?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Is this male?
Is he male?
Yes.
Is he related to Rama?
Is he a demon?
No.
No. Is
Related
he a
to Rama?
Ravana's
Friend of Rama?
No.
Enemy
Related
of
to
Rama.
No.
Is he a good character?
Yes.
Yes. Is he a brother of
Vali?
Rama?
No.
Lakshmana.
No.
Hey, you are
Is he Hanuman?
telling the answers only. You should not do that. Ask the questions. If you reveal the answer, then you are out. Wrong answer, if you are revealed, then you are out. Come on.
Is he devotee of Rama?
Dasharatha?
No.
Is he Guru of Rama?
No.
Is he brother of Rama?
No.
Is he brother of Rama?
No.
Is
Is
he
he
a
help
sage?
Rama? Is he help
No.
Rama?
No.
Is he related to Rama?
What?
Is he
Is he
related to Rama?
related to Rama? He is asking.
Not exactly, but related to Ramayana.
Is he killed by
Parasuram?
No. No.
Did he help
Jatayu?
Rama in fight?
What?
is a character.
Jatayu.
Did he help Rama in fight?
No.
Enemy of Rama?
No.
Can the character fly?
No.
Deepak, you are sure na, that character is from
Yes,
Ramayana
ma'am.
only?
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Okay.
Is he a Vibhishana?
What?
Vibhishana.
No.
Is he from Ayodhya?
Any hint?
Easy.
Is he from Lanka?
Does he have
No.
a name?
Yes.
Any hint?
Can I give hint?
Oh, our time is done actually. Maybe you can reveal Deepak. Isn't it?
Shravana Kumara.
Shravana Kumara. Very good. Very good. Such a great character he has chosen. So we all lost. See. So was he living in, was he living in Ayodhya? I asked. Yes, he was silent. He could not tell. Yes, but he used to stay in Ayodhya, na? The forest of Ayodhya only.
I don't know that, ma'am. That's why I'm silent.
Yeah. Very good character. So we are going to discuss about the youngsters from our ancient texts. Like one Deepak has told just now, that is Shravana Kumar. So in the due course of time, we are going to learn about all these youngsters who are a great inspiration for us actually. Nowadays, what happens? The inspirations that we are keeping in front of our eyes are what? Little bit useless, we can say. Yeah. But the inspirations that we actually need to keep in front of our eyes are like this. Shravana Kumara. Can you tell me few other names like this? Who were youngsters, who were great students, the diligent students we can
Ekalavya.
call them. Ekalavya we have.
Ekalavya.
Very good. Then
Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu. Great. Yes.
Arjuna.
Arjuna. Yes.
Prahalada.
Prahlada. Very good. Very good. Prahlada was the son of a demon, right? What was his name?
Hiranyakashipu.
Hiranyakashipu. Very good. Yeah, yeah. So Prahlada, then Abhimanyu, then who you said?
Karna.
Ma'am, Karna.
Karna, yes, we can
Kaisamba.
consider. He is known for what? He is known for what? Karna?
Friendship.
Dan. Yes,
Kindness.
Dana.
Donate.
Charity. Yes.
Dana.
Yeah, very, very good. Any other name that you remember?
Kaisamba.
Parashurama. Yeah, Parashurama we can consider. I am asking about mainly the youngsters.
Ma'am.
Eklavya.
Ekalavya is done.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell a character who I Ghatotkacha. really look up to?
Sorry,
Ghatotkacha.
Ghatotkacha. Yes, Ghatotkacha can be considered. See, we saw his bravery in the war, no, of Mahabharata. How dedicated he was to his army. Very good, Deepak. Good.
And Barbarica.
Barbarica. Yes. Very good. Then, have you heard about Nachiketa? Who was Nachiketa?
What?
Shashank. Yes. Yes, anybody knows who was Nachiketa? Okay, this is an activity for you. Before coming to the next class, just find out who Nachiketa was and what he had done. I'll give you a chance to tell his story.
Is it a horse, ma'am?
No, he wasn't a horse. Nachiketa was a youngster, a small boy, but he was very much enthusiastic and had a great zeal for learning. Okay, just find out who Nachiketa was and come to the next class. Now you just don't Google it. Okay, yeah. Then we also have Lavakusha. You can consider
Shivaji.
Shivaji Maharaj, of course. Of course.
Sambhaji Maharaj.
Of course, Sambhaji Maharaj.
Peshwaji Bajirao.
Yeah, so we are coming to the history now.
Jalaluddin Akbar.
Shakuni.
How?
Ma'am, Shakuni was very clever. He was very intelligent, though.
He was very intelligent, but my question was, you tell me about the youngsters who are very much inspiring for us. How Shakuni can
Ma'am, can I elaborate on that, ma'am, about Shakuni?
Ma'am, Duryodhana.
In that
Duryodhana
way,
was
it's like an inspiration. Yeah, but
Yes.
we cannot.
Ma'am, I can tell you like one quality of Shakuni we all can like look up to.
Okay, tell me. Let's see. Let's listen to.
Okay, so before he had the intention to like destroy the kingdom, as in the people who were brutal to his family, he didn't have a motive in life to that great an extent. And once he picked that up, as in his dad broke his ankle, right? So he was limping for the entire life, and he broke it in the intention such that every time he limps, he should know why and what he's living for.
Yeah.
So when we pick up something in life, something to achieve, we need to be that determined in life.
This is a good point, that determination should be taken from him. In that way, if you are taking, then it is well and good. But the motive which he has chosen,
Yes. That is wrong. But
family, that is wrong.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yes. But like we can pick up one good thing from even the bad guy is what I wanted to say.
Exactly. I agree with this point. Yeah. So even from bad thing, what we should not do, that also we can learn. Isn't it?
Karna.
Yes, ma'am.
Karna is there. Karna considered.
Pradyumna.
Pradyumna was the son of Krishna, right? Good.
Ma'am, Lakshman.
Lakshmana also, so many things to learn from him. Yes, such a dedicated brother and devoted brother, right?
Bharata.
Yes, same thing goes with him.
Ashwadam.
Have you heard about Dhruva?
Yes, ma'am. Hanuman.
No, ma'am.
Hanuman is of course there. So I was asking, have you heard about Dhruva? What is his story?
this movie name.
Ma'am, brother of Raman.
No. Tell me the exact
Ma'am,
story.
he-
There is one Nakshatram, right? Nakshatram means a star named after Dhruva. Why it is so?
Ma'am, he prayed to Lord to make him appear.
Yeah. And he wanted a place which would not be taken by anyone. Like the firm place.
An immovable star.
Yeah. So he became the immovable star. So what we can learn from his life? That if you are determined to gain something, then you should do that type of tapas, the way in which Dhruva did at a very young stage of his life, isn't it? So what I want to tell from all these points is that, see, nowadays what happens? Yes?
Markandeya, man.
Markandeya also, yes, very true. I'm very happy to know that all of you are aware of all these characters. So nowadays what happens? If we look around us, have a glance, then we would find all are engaged in parties, like the youngsters are engaged in enjoyments, parties, or the things which are called as Nashvara. They are not ultimate things, they are not the ultimate goals of life. They are just engaged in the enjoyment, in the worldly things that are there, worldly pleasures, isn't it? But then, if we just take some time from our life and have a glance towards the ancient traditions and the texts we have, then we would find that the people in our ancient texts had such a great goals in their life, and their lives became what? Really great things to have researches. Our life should be such that people should research upon our lives, do research, isn't it? So one should introspect. What is the goal for my life? Is that just the enjoyment? Of course, a little bit of enjoyment is required. I agree with that. But if our life is leading just towards the enjoyment and there is no ultimate goal as such in our life, then it would be of no use at all. So that's why I gave you example of all these things. Okay, so can we move ahead and take one more character maybe of the game?
Jesus Christ.
Sorry? Jesus Christ. Yes, yes. He was also very determined, right? Yeah. So who would like to try a character?
I would like to. Me.
Let's
Ma'am,
give
I'd
chance
like
to
to try.
Namrata and then she would try. Namrata, you can go.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay, she is ready. So is that a character from Ramayana?
No.
From Mahabharata?
Yes.
Yes or no? Mahabharata?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes. Okay.
Is he Pandava?
No.
Male?
No.
Female?
Yes.
Gandhari.
No.
Kaurava?
Is she the mother of Pandavas?
No.
Is it Bhishma?
A female character, man.
Do she have children?
Sister of Kaurava?
No. No.
Is she Shikandi?
Did she kill Bhishma?
Is she mother of Pandava?
Is she the mother of Bhishma?
No.
No. Did she kill Bhishma? Did she kill Bhishma?
Yes.
Shikhandi.
Draupadi's sister. I can't exactly remember the name, but that's
Devi.
Draupadi's sister.
Abba Devi.
So Shikhandi was that the character? No.
Amba.
No. Yeah.
Is it Amba?
Amba.
But when she killed Bhishma, she wasn't exactly a female.
No. But I want to give a that.
Just a second, Amrita, just a second. Yes. Listen, students, when someone is speaking, let's just keep our, put our Mic on mute. Let others speak and then we will continue. Okay. Yeah. So someone is asking something to Namrata. So someone asked that how Amba could be the answer because, isn't it? Somebody
Yes, ma'am.
asked.
In Amba, but at that time someone was saying like female and all, so I said yes. For Shikandi, I actually.
Monish or someone is on unmute and somebody is cooking in the background maybe. Ha, okay, now it's fine. Okay, Namrata, that was a good one. Okay. Okay, who would try? Shivashri, what is your name? I'm sorry, I forgot.
Ma'am, my name is Shivansh.
Shivansh. Okay, Shivansh, please go ahead.
Okay. It is a character from Mahabharata. That's all I can say.
Yeah, others can ask the questions. So is that a good character?
Pandava.
Ma'am, it is debatable.
Karna.
No.
Hmm.
No, he's not a Kaurava.
Is he a grandfather for someone?
Yeah.
Is he the grandfather of someone? Not exactly, no.
Or some great grandfather or great grandfather?
Mother of Arjuna?
No.
Is he male?
What?
Male or female?
Son of Bhima?
No.
Was he the teacher of Kauravas and Pandavas?
No. In a way, yes, but not exactly.
Is he demon?
In a way,
No.
but not exactly. He was not the teacher, but he was. Okay. Krupacharya?
No, not Dronacharya.
Bhishma?
Yes.
Bhishma. Okay. Well, someone asked you, no? Was he the grandfather?
No, he didn't exactly have a son, no? I mean, his son didn't exactly have an offspring.
Aha, that way. But Bhishma was the character, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Good, good. That was a nice one, Shivansh. Okay, please. Okay, so we shall stop here maybe with the game. So now let us take a little bit of reading of the first chapter. So while playing, we discussed about the things. Yashwant, please mute your mic. Okay. So while playing, we just got to know about the things that we can learn from the ancient texts. And that is the very first chapter which is talking about. So in the last class, I told you that there are two types of education that we can gain. Can anyone recall what are those? If you remember from the last class.
Education for life.
Yeah. Education for livelihood and the education for life.
For life.
Yeah, very true. So education for livelihood would give us what? The wealth, the material success, or we can earn a living from the education for livelihood. But then there is another one that is called as education for life, which would give us what? So many things that
Discipline.
You had.
Ma'am, but isn't it more like literacy and education?
Yes.
If you are a
You can say
literate
that.
person, you can earn well, but unless you are educated, you can't be respected.
You can't be respected. If you're illiterate, that means you just know how to read and write, that's it. But you don't know how to behave.
Yes, ma'am, but
That
at
is-
the end, that only fetches you money, no, ma'am, like how literate you are.
That is true. So money is important. I'm not saying that money is not important. See, students, one thing, very good question you have taken actually. So money is definitely important. People do have such misconceptions about our traditions. That in our tradition, we always give importance for what? Sannyasa or having renunciation. But that's not so. See, if you have heard about this word Purushartha, then we have 4 Purusharthas and equal importance is given for all the 4 Purusharthas. That is, can anyone tell what are they? The 4 Purusharthas? See, I've already told you the number, that they are 4 in number. What are they?
Ma'am, karma, dharma. I guess these two are 2. Karma and dharma. Moksha.
Okay, can anyone help? Shivansh?
Artha.
Artha.
Yes. Dhanam moolam idam jagat.
Ardha kama moksha.
Okay, I'll just conclude it. So, it is then artha, then kama and moksha. Okay, karma is not there in 4 purusharthas. We have dharma, then artha, then kama and moksha. So you see, equal importance is given to all. Dharma is what? Following the duties which are there, that which are told by our dharma shastras. For the role of duties or the set of rules to be followed by everyone, right? That is called as dharma. Then we have artha. So that's why I came to this point. So people generally believe that there is no importance for gaining the wealth, but it is not so. In the 4 purusharthas, we have importance for artha. Artha means what? Gaining money. I'll just complete this sentence and then I'll let you speak. Okay, Projimar Bhaiya. Will that be fine? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So equal importance is given, but the third one says that it is kama, no? Enjoying the pleasures, that is kama. And then final one is moksha, that is salvation, the ultimate goal, we can call it as. See, there is importance given to artha and kama, but there is one thing we need to understand, that the artha and kama should be in the limit of dharma. It should not cross the boundaries of the dharma. Whatever the rules that are being told to us by our dharma shastras, they should not be broken while gaining money or enjoying the pleasures of life. That's it. Okay. So importance is given to earning wealth also. We should not think in that way. Okay. So can you go ahead now? Whatever you wanted to say, you raised your hand. Anirudh, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Anirudh, yes.
Yes, ma'am. But like with respect to this dharma thing, ma'am, there are like stories from the past which says that if he had gone by what just the dharma and the book said, as in what we were advised to do or what we were supposed to follow, it's not always right that you blindly follow dharma.
Yes. This is a very good point you have taken, but we can actually take a different class for this discussion. This is a very huge topic.
If you discuss the stories of Rama and Krishna, you will get the thing, because Rama was very dharma focused, but Krishna kept dharma in mind, but always gave importance to truthness and rightness.
Yeah. See, Anirudh, very nice point you have taken. So these points we are going to discuss in the due course of.
Isn't dharma subjective though? Like for some, the dharma is different.
Exactly. There you go. So you see, in different times, the notions of dharma may change. In the time of Rama, the definition of dharma may be different. And in the time of Krishna, it may be different. So for Krishna, he was following dharma only. But his dharma was what? Thinking about the benefit of the society. That's it. So everything he did was for the benefit of the society around him, for the betterment of the society. That was his dharma. However he may do it, whatever path he may choose it, but it was for the benefit of the society. That was his dharma. And the notion of Rama about dharma was a little bit different, because that time was different. Time of Rama was different than that of time of Krishna, right? So all these things we will discuss with the due course of time. I am very happy to see your interest in this. So in the coming semesters also, you have the complete Ramayana, complete Mahabharata, wherein all these aspects like dharma we are going to discuss in detail. Okay, so don't worry. So with this, I was actually thinking of taking a little bit of reading, but it's already 2:34. So I guess we will not be able to do it today. You just keep the file with you ready. We will take it in the coming class. That is on Monday, right? Okay. Yeah. Have you all got the PDF of the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where, ma'am?
Yeah, keep it handy with you.
Where is it?
I'll share
Where
the
is
screen and make you read. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Deepak and Rohit, you were
Where
saying
will we
something.
where will we
Sorry?
find the PDF? Ma'am? Where can we
Where
find
is
the PDF?
I have already shared it now on Teams and also on the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
If you have not found, please someone can help Rohit to get it. Can someone share the file with him? Please take a read.
Are
Deepak,
you
would
on
you
the
share?
WhatsApp group? Rohit, are you on the WhatsApp group?
Actually, today only I joined in the WhatsApp group.
I
So
got
I'll
it.
Today
send it.
only you. Okay. Which section you are from, Rohit?
Section G, ma'am.
Section C. I'll just share that file again with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Sure. And I've
Ma'am,
shared
I
it
have
on.
resent it, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have resent it.
You have reshared. Okay. Thank you very much, Monish.
Thank you.
Rohit, he has shared. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine, then we will stop here. Maybe you are having the next classes also, no? I'll see you in the coming class. Till then, take care and thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.